Today, we're reviewing the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, a smartphone that's been getting a lot of buzz. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, the design. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro features a sleek, premium look with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display that's perfect for gaming, streaming, and browsing. The AMOLED display delivers stunning colors and deep blacks, making your content come alive. Now, let's talk about the camera. The 50-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera captures crisp, detailed shots, while the 50-megapixel front camera takes your selfies to the next level. Whether you're in good lighting or low light, the camera's performance is impressive. Under the hood, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, making it smooth for multitasking and gaming. Plus, it's powered by a 5,200 mAh battery, enough to last you all day. With 45-watt fast charging, you'll get back up to full power in no time. And running iOS 15, it's got a clean and customizable user interface for a seamless experience. So, is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro worth it? If you're looking for a great camera, solid performance, and a premium design on a budget, this is a winner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this.